Have you ever stopped to wonder if there could be such a thing as too much gratitude? A fascinating question indeed. One would think that an emotion as uplifting as gratitude would only lead to positive outcomes. But, like with anything in life, too much of a good thing can sometimes turn sour. Gratitude, in its essence, is a powerful emotion that can elevate your mood, improve your relationships, and even enhance your physical health. It's a catalyst for positivity, a beacon of light that can transform your perspective and broaden your horizons. By focusing on the good in life, gratitude helps you to see opportunities where others might see obstacles. It's a remedy for stress, a tonic for the heart, and a salve for the soul. Yet, like the two sides of a coin, gratitude also has its less appealing side. Too much gratitude can sometimes lead to complacency. You might begin to take things for granted, assuming that the good times will always roll on. It can also lead to a lack of ambition as you become content with your current circumstances and stop striving for more. Moreover, excessive gratitude can lead to feelings of guilt and indebtedness. You may start to feel undeserving of the good things in your life or guilty for having more than others. In some cases, it can even lead to a sense of obligation, where you feel compelled to reciprocate the kindness that has been shown to you, even when it's not possible or practical to do so. So, how do we strike the right balance? Well, the key lies in practicing gratitude with intention and moderation. It's about recognizing the good in your life without losing sight of your aspirations. It's about appreciating what you have, without feeling guilty or obligated to return the favor. It's about embracing the positive without neglecting the negative. In essence, gratitude is a tool, a powerful one at that. But it's not a magic wand. It won't solve all your problems or make all your dreams come true. But when used correctly, it can certainly make your journey through life a lot more enjoyable. To summarize, gratitude in the right doses can have profound positive effects on your life. It can uplift your mood, strengthen your relationships, and even improve your physical health. However, too much gratitude can lead to complacency, guilt, and a sense of obligation. The key lies in practicing gratitude with intention and moderation. Remember, life is about balance, and as with everything else, the same applies to gratitude. So the next time you count your blessings, remember to do so with a sense of awareness and moderation, because sometimes